My name is Gloria Darnell. I'm a retired vocal music teacher and I live in Baldwinsville, New York.
And how did you hear about Dr. Joe?
From my friend Jeannie Panka, who had had some real problems with her hip, and I was beginning to have problems with my hip and my neck, so I came to Joe on her recommendation.
What improvements have you seen with care?
Well, I came to Dr. Joe in the fall of 2002 and realized I had a lot of trouble getting up out of bed in the morning. I had really a sharp pain, and getting in and out of the car. It would take me a few minutes to rework my hips so that I could walk. And I thought at the age of 55, when this started happening, almost 56, I said, something's the matter here. So I ended up, I was talking to Jean about it, and Jean said, you should see my chiropractor, Dr. Joe Borio. And so I did. I came in and started a plan with him. We started out seeing him three days a week, gradually worked down to 2, 1, then once every other week, and then once a month. And my hip pain was gone within 4 sessions. My neck pain, my neck was something I wasn't as aware of, but my range of motion was really limited, and I didn't realize it because it had happened over such a gradual amount of time. Mm-hmm. So I ended up realizing getting my range of motion up to 90%, which it was much lower than that when I started. And there are specific exercises he gives you which you need to do on a daily basis. Unfortunately, I'm not as good at that as I should be, but I see a profound difference because I don't have hip pain where other people my age, and neck pain where other people my age are having problems. I don't have any. I'm very flexible now.
Now, do the adjustments feel good?
Oh yeah, in fact I hardly know he's doing it. I feel just little nudges. My neck is where I will feel it a little bit, but it's not pain, it's just like a little crack, and then all of a sudden I have a fluidity that I didn't have as much of when I walked in.
Okay. What would you tell someone who is considering coming here for care?
Oh, they should definitely come. They should come and have a good discussion with Joe to see exactly what his plan would be and to get it analyzed so they know exactly what they're getting into, because his practice is serious. As energetic and as positive and as fun as he is, he knows exactly what he's doing at all times. He is extremely knowledgeable. He's also a fighter. He's somebody that will help you with insurance claims when doctors are saying you don't need this, or we're not, or an insurance company will say I'm not going to cover this. He's very much a fighter and in your corner. So I think that's an important thing too. He stands up for what he thinks is right.
Were there any surprise health benefits that you noticed after getting chiropractic care?
It seemed like when I finish with Joe, it seems like I'm able to breathe a little more deeply because I do have asthma. And when he works on my back, something happens. If I've been having trouble, especially if I've been having trouble, say it's a morning where my chest is just a little bit tight, I can feel it, the subtle changes. If I'm coming to Joe that day, when he finishes working on me, I find I am able to breathe deeper. It seems my breath is more relaxed.
Okay. Are there any comments that you would like to share?
No, I think I pretty much said it all, except that he is excellent at what he does, and he answers questions for you. And if you ask the same question 3 or 4 or 5 times, he understands it's because you didn't understand, and he'll explain it again until you get it. Yeah.
Right.